Jared with Omnivore Blade Works. I'm wearing some other swag, but I've got a knife on my back that is the Americanas Wide series, and I've got a sheath back here that's set up so I can put my thumb in this little thumb strap, pop it off. I have magnetic retention in this spacer on top, and then I can just pull down and draw it out. So it's in there. Actually uses these little disjimping on some epoxy bedding on the spacer to make it actually retain. I think I may have shown this sheath before, but you can see that it would go in open bottom sheath and then snap right in into the magnets. So putting it back into your sheath on your back would be very challenging, but getting it out is kind of cool because you can draw from concealment under your shirt, like Crocodile Dundee. And the snap is a pull the dot snap, so it only goes one way. So you can see that you just put your thumb into the loop and then pop, and then it's still retained via the magnets, and you're going to kind of push it down and out to get it off of the jimping with the spacers. So it's going to be up to the end user to adjust the height of this dangle. Basically it wants to be on this lower one, and the upper one's just for stabilizing, and maybe some bungee straps would be necessary, but you can probably figure that out, and you can kind of dangle right there at your belt line, and then I don't have it fastened right now somehow, but you just grab it and pull, and there it goes. Americanas chopper Bowie, and the standard version is just a little bit more of a straighter tapered blade instead of a belly on there, so it doesn't require the same type of sheath, but I'll probably make it for that anyway because it's a really cool sheath, I think. So this is one of the first two prototypes just going out to Austria. And another feature about this particular knife is underneath the Cerakoting here on the spine I have a layer of carbidized tungsten carbide that I put on there, so that way if you use a ferrocerium rod, you can scrape and scrape, and eventually your Cerakote will go away, but you won't be exposing actual steel. You'll be exposing the tungsten carbide spark deposited coating. And this one has some little issue with the logo because I had to recoat this whole thing, and I didn't have any more logo stencils left, so I had to cut the jimping in here after hardening with a file and a carbide burr, and then coat it again. So if you're interested in this, I'm going to be making another batch and probably getting the sheath system a little bit more squared away in terms of the harness. But I want to get this out to this fellow who's been waiting for it, and he'll be able to customize it to his needs. Alright, thanks for watching.